Map Links tool is available from the Map Tools toolbar. I'm going to choose the Map Links tool from the menu. Currently we have two options, Google Street View and side-by-side mapping. Within side-by-side mapping I can change my zoom level. I can also change the historic map to show, such as geological data, and then choose a corresponding base map, in this case being hybrid. If I now click within the map, this will open up the National Libraries of Scotland website into a new browser window. MapThat has passed in the geographic location, which is Liverpool, and it's also passed in the details of the historic map to show and the base map to show for the same location. I now have options if I want to within the NLS website to show different historic mapping and to compare that maybe to a different base map such as OpenStreetMap. If I zoom into the map, I now get historic mapping for Liverpool. In addition to side-by-side mapping, we can also link to Google Street View. Let's zoom into street level so that we can see some roads. And then from the left-hand side, we've got choices to change the orientation that we are within Street View, as well as the camera angle or pitch. Having specified those settings, let's click within the map, and again, a decorated URL is passed this time into Google Street View, where we're seeing exactly the same road where we were previously within MapThat. This is a great way for you to be able to compare Street View with the conditions of your data in MapThat.